Welcome to the JJ's Declutter podcast, where we tackle the mess and stress to make space for what truly matters. I'm Janis, here with Julie, and together we're sharing our best tips, tricks, and a little humor to help you declutter your home, mind, and life. Whether it's procrastination or piles of stuff, we're here to help you make real progress. Let's dive in.
Hello, friends. Welcome back to the JJ's Declutter podcast. I'm Julie, here with Janis, and today we're literally letting the light in because we are talking about cleaning windows.
Yes, and before anyone groans or mentally files this under someday maybe, we want to reassure you, this is not about spending your entire Sunday scrubbing glass with a toothbrush.
Nope. This is about simple, doable steps that make a big visual impact. Because clean windows, they are one of those small wins that instantly make your whole space feel brighter, lighter, and more put together.
So grab a beverage and settle in, or declutter and clean while listening, while we dive into cleaning windows the JJ's way.
All righty, let's start here. Why do windows matter so much? Because they're sneaky. You don't always notice when they're dirty until they're clean. And suddenly it's like, whoa, is this the same room?
More light, clearer views, and honestly, it just feels fresher. It's like giving your home glasses after it's been squinting. I should know. Also, there's the important mindset shift. We are not aiming for perfection. We're aiming for improvement. If your windows go from filmy and streaky to mostly clear, that's a win.
Absolutely. So let's talk about what makes this feel harder than it needs to be. Mistake number one, doing it at the wrong time of day. Cleaning windows in direct sunlight is basically setting yourself up for streak frustration because the cleaner dries too fast and you're left chasing streaks like it's a full-time job. So if you can, choose a cloudy day or work in the shade.
Mistake number two, using too much product. More cleaner does not equal cleaner windows. It equals residue and streaks. Always streaks. And mistake number three, trying to do every window in the house in one go. The JJs don't do overwhelm here. We do manageable, small, doable doses.
So let's keep your supplies super simple. You really only need a few things. A microfiber cloth or two, a basic glass cleaner, or a simple mix of water with a little vinegar, and optionally a squeegee. And if you don't have a squeegee, you are still fully capable of clean windows. No fancy tools required. This is not a barrier to entry situation.
All right, let's walk through this step by step. Step one, start with the frame and sill. This is the part people skip, and then they wonder why their windows still look dirty. Wipe away dust, dirt, and any buildup first. Sometimes it helps if you use a vacuum. Otherwise, you're just smearing it onto the glass and you're kind of making like a mud on your window. Not good.
Step two, lightly spray your cleaner onto the glass or onto your cloth. Remember, light spray. We are not soaking the window. Step three, wipe in a consistent pattern, top to bottom or side to side. Just pick one. Consistency helps prevent streaks and missed spots.
Step four, dry with a clean microfiber cloth. This is your secret weapon against streaks. And step five, optional but satisfying, use a squeegee for that polished finish. It's like the cherry on top, but not required for success. And be sure to wipe your squeegee between each swipe.
Let's connect this back to decluttering. Because yes, even window cleaning fits into this conversation. Because what's around your windows? Clutter. Curtains that are too heavy, windowsills full of little random items, maybe even things blocking the light entirely.
So before or while you clean your windows, take a moment to clear the area. Remove anything that doesn't belong there and ask yourself, is this adding to the space or blocking the light?
So let's bring this back to our favorite concept, small, doable doses, small, doable steps. You do not need to clean every window today. Start with one, just one, and maybe the window you look out of the most, or the one that gets the best light.
Set your timer. Your decluttering dozen timer works perfectly here for hashtag decluttering dozen. So we're setting it for 12 minutes. That's it. You will be amazed what you can accomplish in that short burst.
Now, once your windows are clean, let's talk maintenance, because this is where it gets easy. You don't have to deep clean every time.
Just a quick wipe every couple of weeks keeps things looking fresh. And because you're not letting it build up again, it never becomes a big job. Let's address a few common thoughts that might be popping up. I don't have time. You have 12 minutes.
I'll do it when I can do all the windows. Nope, that's the all or nothing trap.
My windows are really bad. Then even a small improvement will feel amazing.
So let's talk about how this feels when it's done. Brighter, calmer, clearer. It's amazing how something so simple can shift the energy of a room.
And that builds momentum because once you see that clean window, you start thinking, what else could I freshen up? Now, Julie, what, how do you clean your windows? Because we're giving people all these tips. And
Right.
I think we both kind of clean our windows the same way, and we didn't really mention it here.
We I use the Norwex window cloth, and
Me
so I
too.
just use water and my Norwex cloth. But there have been times when the windows have been pretty grody on the outside that I use. I'm lying. My husband uses. He uses vinegar or Windex or whatever when he's outside doing the outside windows. Um, and honestly, he did do it with just Norwex and water on our kitchen windows last year, and they were beautiful. It was just as though he had used some expensive product or something. So that's what we do, and we do use squeegees outdoors, not in the house though.
So I have a few squeegees. They mainly live in my showers. Um, but I you have the Norwich system. I actually have the mop system and the glass cleaning head, which makes it really nice when you're trying to clean. Well, I've got really big windows, and I also have really large um, mirrors in my bathrooms. And so I'll stick it on that so I don't have to bring a step stool out or really reach far, and I clean with that. And it's really nice because you just use water. And I'll use that cleaner and then I'll switch and I'll kind of stick a dry one on there and wipe it again because I like drying my anything that's glass after I clean it because number one, it gets any slight dust and dirt that you didn't catch the first couple of passes. And it's just a good idea to dry things after you clean them as a habit, not just windows, but wood especially. Um,
Mm-hmm.
but I've switched to Norwex. We have, I mean, I have Windex, but we mainly use that on the ants that are in the kitchen.
Did
really
you learn
using
that from my big fat Greek wedding?
I don't know
This
where we
Windex
learned it,
works for everything.
but it does work. It actually does work, and it's relatively safe around pets. So that's why the Windex is mainly being used for the ants, and I don't use it on the windows anymore. But I just wanted to put that out there because those of you who follow us know that we use water and our Norwex window cloth. So, okay. All right, friends, here's your JJ challenge for today. Clean one window.
That's it. One window. Clear the sill, wipe the glass, let the light in.
So remember, this isn't about perfection. It's all about progress. Small steps done consistently create real change in your home and in how you feel in your home.
This episode gave you that little nudge to get started. We'd love for you to share it with a friend who needs a simple win today. And come to us. What window did you clean? Until next time, keep it simple.
Keep it intentional.
And as
And
always,
as always, keep
cluttering.
It's that last part.
Let's keep talking.
Well, how big of a gap do we want to put between and always? Always.
Make it one sentence.
Oh, okay, let's try it. Just the last part.
Okay. Let's see. Until next time, keep it simple.
Keep it intentional. And
as
always, keep
decluttering. I have to put this to music so that we take a breath. So yeah, one of these days we have to get it straight.
We did get it right once, but it's been a while. I think it was at the end of last year after doing it for 52 times.
Oh my gosh. All right, folks, we will catch you later. Thanks for joining us on the JJ's Declutter podcast. If you're ready to keep simplifying, follow us for more tips and join our Facebook community to share your wins and challenges. Subscribe here because it's always more fun to declutter with friends. And thanks in advance for leaving us a review.